Another very interesting question that people ask is how to optimize your App Store listing in order to rank better, in order to receive more downloads. Now, optimizing your App Store listing involves many different things. Things like your app title, your app short description, your app's long description, as well as your logo, main featured images. Now, all these things play an important role in their own way in letting the user decide which app they want to go for. Now, look and feel is the number one thing that I believe that catches the user attention. So I would say that the graphics, those you use on your mobile application, whether it's your logo or the main featured images, the listing images that you upload to your stores, they really gotta be outstanding so that when your listing pops up in the search, you get the most clicks. Now, one of the most easiest way to be the number one for a certain search is to receive the most amount of clicks. Now, the click-through rate that you receive on the App Store lets the store know that your listing is different and is unique and is catching more clicks than any other app, which would ultimately allow app stores to decide where your application deserves to be. Now, the second thing that you can do, which is also very important, along with the graphics, is the optimized title. Now, the title doesn't just need to be optimized with a catchy word. It gotta be optimized with the right keyword as well. A lot of people tend to think of their mobile application in a certain way, and then there's nothing wrong in doing that. But the problem with that you can get yourself into is when you're thinking of your app in a certain limited way, that might not be how most of your customers are searching for your idea or your mobile application. So what you gotta do some solid research around how the apps are found in your category and what keywords are the most popular keywords that you should play around with. Now, there are many tools available in the market. Those allow you to see search volumes for each keyword in the stores. This helps you pick the best keyword that matches your application, and then you can use that keyword strategically in the app title. The third most important thing that I think a lot of people miss on is the app description. Now, there are two types of app descriptions. One is a short description, mostly ranges from 80 to 120 characters, depending on which store you're publishing it on. And the other one ranges from 500 to 1,000 words, depending on which store you're publishing your app on. Now, both of these descriptions for your mobile application allow you to embed the right keywords along with some really catchy information. Now, before you go and write down a massive list of keywords and start dumping all those keywords into the description, what you need to understand is a lot of people click on the app and read through your description. And what they're really looking to understand is the key list of features that your application provides. So what you really need to do is to list down all the key features at the very top of your description, so that when a reader reads your description, they can see what exactly is being offered. And at the bottom of those key features of your application, you can go ahead and write as much content as you like, obviously with the limit in mind, and then you can embed as many keywords naturally that you can to optimize your application a bit better. But making sure that the user element of the App Store optimization is considered is the number one thing that you should think about. Now, these are the few things that I take care of when we're publishing an app for a client on the app stores. And a lot of these small things that we do for our clients help them get those initial few hundred clicks or a few hundred downloads to their app store listing. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. and I'll see you in the next video.